Hey, my wonderful and fabulous Tame Raiders. We are here for a removal video of the Almighty Bond hair glue. If you guys watched my live the other day, you know that this is a whole lace unit that I utilize the Almighty Bond on, and we're actually going to be testing out the remover. We're going to see if the remover really works. So the one thing I can say about the lace itself, this wig has been on all weekend and I have no signs of budging, so it did exactly what it's supposed to. I will do a more in-depth video of how I glue down my wigs, because I did a video on how I tack down my wigs when I did the Got2b glue method. So I'll actually do a video of how I tack down my units using actual adhesive glue, and we'll be using the Almighty Bond, but we're going to show you how to use the remover. So you're going to take the remover, and then we're just going to squirt it around the hairline. And as I'm talking to you guys, we'll just be talking. Where everybody's going to probably be asking me, where can you buy this product? Ooh, it does show up. Okay. I actually feel it lifting already, you guys. So we're gonna squeeze out a little bit more on this side and just rub that in. We're not gonna force it. Definitely not gonna force it. I'm just gonna take that and just rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Ooh, y'all see that? Uh-oh, we got magic. We got some magic twerking latent over there. Okay, come through. Okay, we're gonna take these glasses off and do this, because I think my glasses are gonna get in the way. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. All right, so far so good. Okay, y'all know what? That popped off really easy with no issue. Okay. It doesn't smell weird. There's no chemical smell. My cap is actually secured down where I could actually glue down another unit. And I could just take some alcohol and clean this. So far so good. So that popped off really easy, you guys. So, I'm gonna say that this was worth it. Yeah. So basically the way, I don't have a towel right now, but I'm about to go do that in a minute. So the direction says gently lift wig and apply remover on glue areas. Massage product in. Will get soapy as it is cleansing the glue, and as you guys saw, it did get a little soapy. Let the remover sit for 1 to 2 minutes. I didn't do that, but mine was getting ready to pop off anyway. Follow up with water to remove excess residue. So far, this was a winner chicken dinner. So as I sit here in a wig cap, so I'm definitely gonna say that was worth that. The Kiss product is actually worth the money. I'm definitely gonna say that it's definitely worth the money. Where can you pick up where you can pick up your Kiss glue? You can actually pick it up at your local beauty supply, which at my job at Hey Beauty, we do carry this product. We carry the glue and the remover itself. So definitely head over to your local beauty supply and cop your next batch of glue. So we're just gonna put our cap on, finish cleaning for the day, and there it is. And I will see you guys on another basically on another how-to video. So if this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders.